Hi, my name is Steve Naples with ICT, and today we're going to show you how to use wet to seal and protect your unsealed concrete pavers and give them that deep, rich, wet look, color enhancement that really makes them pop. Wet is an eco-friendly, ready-to-use, single-component sealer specifically formulated for porous concrete pavers. Unlike a lot of sealers out there, wet is a DIY-friendly solution for sealing pavers. There's no mixing, no measuring, and no special equipment required. Wet will leave your unsealed pavers protected, joint sand stabilized, and leave the surface looking great with an enhanced wet look. Before applying wet, the pavers will need to be cleaned and prepped to make sure the sealer can have a good, even adhesion across the surface. Skipping these steps can result in sealer failing to adhere, flaking off, or having an uneven, splotchy appearance. We recommend using Total Clean to remove contaminants like dirt, grease, oil stains, and mildew. Total Clean is a concentrated formula, so you can adjust how much or how little water you add based on how contaminated your pavers are. Today we're going to use a 7-to-1 ratio, adding 7 parts of water for 1 part of Total Clean. Use a watering can or a pump sprayer to apply. Scrub the entire surface thoroughly with a stiff bristled broom to agitate and remove contaminants, and then thoroughly rinse the surface with water to remove any remaining residue. The next step is to treat for efflorescence if necessary. Efflorescence is a white chalky residue very commonly found on pavers and other hardscapes. It's caused by moisture drawing salts up through the surface over time. If this sounds like your pavers, they need to be treated. If efflorescence isn't removed, it can interfere with adhesion and cause an ugly haze or discoloration under the sealer. We recommend Total Prep for removing efflorescence. Applying Total Prep is similar to Total Clean. Dilute Total Prep with water. We're using 4 parts of water to 1 part of Total Prep. Apply with a watering can or a pump sprayer. Agitate with a stiff bristled broom or a pressure washer and thoroughly rinse with water. Do not spot treat with Total Prep. Instead, treat the entire surface to ensure uniform absorption into the pavers. With the pavers clean, we can move on to the prep. If you have sand between the joints of the pavers, make sure it is in good shape and sitting about 1/8 of an inch below the top of the pavers. If the sand is low, top it off and let it settle before sealing. Finally, mask off any areas like siding, columns, doors, screen enclosures, or step risers that you don't want sealer on. Now that the surface is clean, dry, and prepped, we're ready to seal. Since wet is a single component formula, it is ready to use without mixing or diluting. Any unused sealer can be saved and used another day. Wet can be applied using a pump sprayer or a roller. A pump sprayer is best for even coverage over a large area. A roller is ideal for working in corners and in tight spaces. Always start by applying a small amount in an inconspicuous area. This allows you to check the look of the sealer, identify any potential issues, and check compatibility with old sealers in case the pavers have been previously sealed. Apply 2 thin coats of wet, allowing the first coat to dry to the touch before applying the second coat. This will take about 4 to 6 hours depending on the elements, such as temperature and humidity. Avoid creating puddles of wet. If ponding or puddling occurs, use a stiff bristled broom to get a uniform coat. Allow 24 to 48 hours before introducing light traffic and 3 to 5 days before heavy traffic. And that's it. As you can see, wet makes sealing your pavers a weekend project that any do-it-yourselfer can tackle. Wet gave these pavers a deep, rich color enhancement and a durable protective seal all in one easy application. The joint sand is locked in place, the surface is protected from stains and the elements, and the whole project just took a few hours. If you have any questions about wet or any other ICT products, please feel free to contact us.